In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the opacity of a video using Filmora. This is a fantastic skill to have if you're venturing into the world of video editing, as it allows you to add a creative touch to your projects. Whether you're looking to gently fade an image into another or play with visual effects, mastering opacity adjustments can greatly enhance the visual storytelling of your videos. Let's start at the very beginning by opening your browser and heading over to Filmora's website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate and launch the Filmora software on your computer. This step is crucial because it's where all your video editing magic will take place. Before diving into opacity, make sure you have your project ready and that your video footage is imported and placed on the timeline. Ensuring your footage is ready will streamline the process and make editing more efficient. Now focus your attention towards the right side of the screen where you'll find the key tools needed for adjusting opacity. Once you've selected your video clip on the timeline, look for a section labeled Blend Mode. This is your primary control panel for blending and transparencies. Below the Blend Mode settings, you'll find the Opacity option. This is where all the magic happens. Take a moment to click on it, which should reveal a slider or numerical input field. This slider allows you to control the transparency level of your video with ease. By default, the opacity is set to 100%, meaning your video is fully opaque. As you begin to slide to the left, the transparency increases, gradually revealing any underlying layers or background. Keep in mind, there's no right or wrong setting here. It's all about what looks best for your particular needs. Perhaps you want a dreamy, ethereal mix of visuals, in which case a lower opacity might suit you perfectly. Conversely, keeping it close to 100% ensures a vivid and clear picture. While adjusting the opacity, don't hesitate to play around and see the real-time visual changes in your project. Feel free to preview your video by hitting the play button frequently as you make these adjustments. This allows you to view how it looks in motion and make additional tweaks if needed. Once you're happy with the results and the video's transparency aligns with the vision you had in mind, your task is complete. You've successfully adjusted the opacity of your video using Filmora. Feel free to save your project and export it in your preferred format. Practice this method regularly, and soon it will become a standard part of your editing repertoire. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.